Hey guys, today I'm telling you some basic English phrases that you use in your daily life. Let's start. ज़रा सा रुक जाओ, just a moment. Just a moment. देर मत करो. Don't delay. Don't delay. Anything else और कुछ. Anything else और कुछ. Bring him here. उसे इधर लाओ. Bring him here. उसे इधर लाओ. Knew it. मुझे मालूम था. Knew it. मुझे मालूम था. Nothing else. और कुछ नहीं. Nothing else. और कुछ नहीं. No excuse. बहाने मत करो. No excuse. बहाने मत करो. What do you say? What do you say? क्या कहते? What do you say? क्या कहते? Sit in car. गाड़ी में बैठो. Sit in car. Take this dose. ये खुराक लो. Take this dose. ये खुराक लो. With best wishes. बेहतरीन ख्वाहिश के साथ. With best wishes. बेहतरीन ख्वाहिश के साथ. You deserve it. तुम इसके हकदार हो. You deserve it. तुम इसके हकदार हो. Speak your mind. अपने दिल की बात कहो. Speak your mind. अपने दिल की बात कहो. Why to struggle? Why to struggle? कोशिश करने का क्या फ़ायदा. Watch out. ध्यान से. Watch out. ध्यान से. Ignore him. Ignore him. उसे छोड़ो. Be there. इधर ही रहो. Be there. इधर ही रहो. Without you. तुम्हारे बगैर. Without you. तुम्हारे बगैर. That's why. That's why. इसलिए. At least come as come. At least come as come. Stop it. बस भी करो. Stop it. Be careful. एहतियात से करो. Be careful. Anyway. Anyway. बहरहाल. Back home. घर वापिस पहुंच गया. Back home. Drizzling here. Drizzling here. बूंदाबांदी हो रही है. Dead tired. मैं थक गया हूँ. Dead tired. मैं थक गया हूँ. Had a busy day. काफ़ी थकान देने वाला दिन था. Had a busy day. That's all for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.